Okay, so first you mix the all-purpose flour with the baking powder and the cocoa powder, as you can see here. You mix it and you put it in the bowl. So then in another bowl we add 50 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, and 2 more eggs. So then we add the hot coffee, and then we mix it. Mix one more. Okay, then you beat it. You mix it very nicely, and then add 2 pinch of salt, which I've already did. So you mix it very nicely. Meanwhile, preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, I've already preheated to 10 minutes. So now I'm adding half cup of milk to the mixture. And then we'll be mixing this. Stir it nicely. Now I am going to mix the dry mixture into the mixture we already made. Okay, now always mix it in only one direction. Don't forget, you have to mix it in only one direction. If you're going right, then you have to go right. If you're going clockwise, you have to go clockwise. If you're going anti-clockwise, you only have to go anti-clockwise. You actually have to beat it faster. Now, as I don't have a beater, so I'm doing it with this. Beat it really faster. Okay, now take another pan in which you'll be placing the cake. This is basically where the cake will be. So we will have to grease it a bit. So now you can grease it with oil or butter. It is your choice. Now we are back to the mixture. Now we will be adding half teaspoon of vanilla extract while we are beating the mixture. Now, as you can notice, there are some bubbles around when you are beating the mixture. So at this stage, you will need to transfer it to the grease tray which we had greased before. Okay, so after we do that, we put into the oven and bake it for 180 degrees Celsius. And then we wait. And then it will be about half an hour until your cake is ready. Yeah. And voila, your cake is ready.